Nintendo Switch vs Switch Lite, which is the best for you? Contemplate these variations to make the appropriate determination. The Nintendo Switch options considerably higher graphics than these on the Wii U and 3DS, and the console might be performed linked to a TV for a conventional gaming console expertise, or through the use of its personal built-in display for handheld gaming. The Nintendo Swap Lite is in the identical console technology because the Nintendo Swap In helps the identical library of video games and apps. Nevertheless, it's unable to connect with TV units and is primarily designed for handheld or movable gameplay solely. What is Nintendo Swap? What we like. Video games might be performed on a TV. Comes with 2 PleasureCon controllers. Giant library of video games. What we do not like. Dearer than the Nintendo Swap Lite. The swap display generally is a waste of cash in the event that you solely play on TV. The dock generally is a waste of cash in the event that you solely play in handheld mode. Nintendo launched the Nintendo Swap console in early 2017. It options a wholly new library of video games with superior graphics to these launched on the Wii U and 3DS. Some Wii U video games, similar to New Tremendous Mario Bros. U, Super Mario Kart 8, and Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, have been re-released on the Swap with slight graphical upgrades and extra content material. Nonetheless, the unique Wii U and 3DS variations can't be imported onto a Swap. The Nintendo Swap might be performed as both a handheld gaming machine or on a TV like a conventional online game console when positioned in a particular dock included with the Swap. New Swap consoles additionally include 2 particular controllers, formerly known as PleasureCons, which might hook up with the perimeters of the console when in handheld mode, or disconnected and utilized by 2 gamers when enjoying on a TV in TV mode. The Nintendo Swap additionally helps a tabletop mode, which lets gamers use the machine's display as a small TV. On this mode, the PleasureCons might be disconnected and the display is held upright by a built-in kickstand. What is Nintendo Swap Lite? What we like. Cheaper than the common Nintendo Swap. Good choice for handheld players. Much less components for youths to lose and break. What we do not like. Cannot hook up with a TV display. No USB port for headphones or C-splaying cards. Display could also be too small for some video games. The Nintendo Swap Lite was launched in mid-2019 and is solely a handheld console. It helps the entire Nintendo Swap video games and apps, however they have to be performed on the console's personal display, as it might hook up with a dock and show its gameplay on a TV. In contrast to the common Nintendo Swap mannequin, the Nintendo Swap Lite's controllers cannot be eliminated and used individually. Due to this, one other Wi-Fi controller, such because the Nintendo Switch Pro controller, have to be used when enjoying in tabletop mode. The Nintendo Swap Lite lacks a USB port, so it might join wired controllers that require a USB connection. Which means that to connect a GameCube controller to a Nintendo Switch Lite, you'll want to make use of a Wi-Fi Bluetooth mannequin. The Nintendo Swap dimensions are barely smaller on the Lite than the common mannequin, with the display measuring 5.5 inches in comparison with the unique 6.2 inches. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.